The sound T. How is the sound T pronounced?
It is pronounced T.
Can you say T?
T, 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 T.
Very good. The sound T has one spelling variant, T. Now let's take a look at some examples of the sound T.
T.
Able,
Table.
tech,
Nology.
technology,
T.
taco,
Taco.
T,
Up.
top.
The sound T is unvoiced, meaning your vocal cords don't vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue starts at the roof of your mouth, then goes to the bottom when pronouncing the sound T. Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound T.
Taco night had finally come, and my dad, sitting at the top of the table, scolded me for bringing technology to the table.
Quick recap time.
The sound T has one spelling variant and appears in many words.
It is pronounced T and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like table, technology, taco, and top all include the sound T.